Bevy, would you kiss me for $100 or kiss the hottest girl you know for $700?
The hottest girl I know for $700.
Why?
It's $700. I kiss you every day for free.
Bevy!
Baby, you know how much stuff we could pay off with $700?
Okay, you can pay off stuff with
I don't-
$100 too.
I'm not kissing her because I like her. It's an investment.
But you think she's hot?
Yeah. What? What I'm saying is it's $700. We can pay off stuff with that.
So you're saying I'm not the hottest girl you know?
Oh. It's a trap! It's a trap! I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it.